When was the last time you tried to close a deal with that difficult customer and totally blew it because you didn't know what to say? Or you had to bring somebody in to help you out on the deal. They did very little except give away all your money on the front end. And now it's like you're working for free. You know what? This is very typical. And right now, in our new social distancing world at the dealership, it's even more critical that you know what to say to help you close deals. I'm Brian Maxwell. For nearly 10 years, I've worked with sales consultants at dealerships all around the country, creating some of the top producing performers and six-figure earners nationwide. The fact that you're watching this video lets me know that you're somebody who is always looking for ways for you to be better, to increase and improve your performance, and ultimately to make more money by helping more people. And the good news for you is that you come to the right place. So congratulations, because available to you right now is some of the most profit-producing information that's available online involved in the automotive industry. There available right now is a free webinar where I lay out some of the most power-packed information to help you increase conversions, close more deals, and earn bigger commissions on your sales. Right now, available to you with simply one click away is access to a free online webinar where I lay out from A to Z, and as quickly as a manner as I possibly can, how you can start driving more customers using social media, knowing what to say and do once you get them on the inside, and leveling out your process so when it's time for you to ask them to do business with you at your store, it's easier for them to make that smart, safe buying decision. So all I encourage you to do is click the link in the description, follow it on over, register, get started, and you watch how these profit producing information, these word tracks, and these methods have instant results for you at your dealership. It's simple. All you have to do is click the link, register, go on over, watch, get started. I'm Brian Maxwell, and I look forward to seeing you at the dealership.